Hi, I'm Wendy King, Director of Health and Performance with Hub International. One key question we've been receiving from clients is what type of mental health resources can I make available to our employees as we face this COVID-19 pandemic? And it's a great question. Our mental health can really be affected by these types of situations, and stress can even further compromise your immune system. So asking the question of how can I help my employees deal with this stress is really a great question. I would start by suggesting you take a look at your Employee Assistance Program or your EAP. If you're not familiar with employee assistance programs, what these service providers do is provide confidential assessments, counseling, and specialty resource referrals for your employees and their family members. What I love about an employee assistance program is employees feel as though they can reach out in a confidential way to get help and to find the right tools and counseling to get them through any type of crisis. Really, it can be financial, it can be relationship related, and of course, in this case, they could even talk with counselors about what's going on within their organization. Managers are seeking help to discuss with EAP counselors things like how they handle layoffs and reorganizations and furloughs, because that's creating obviously a great amount of stress for our teams out there. So utilize your employee assistance program. Keep in mind, if you have your employee assistance program bundled with a health plan coverage or an ancillary coverage, that may leave some of your employees out of being able to access that if they didn't elect that coverage. So please know that there are standalone options for employee assistance programs. There are also service providers out there who work strictly on a project basis. They would come in more as an incident response team and can provide immediate assistance to your employees in need today. So definitely talk with us more about what those options are. In addition to professional resources like an employee assistance program, you can also take a look at the vast array of social apps and online apps that are out there available for stress management. The Health and Performance team has vetted a number of solutions, and we're going to make those available to you through the Coronavirus Resource Center, as well as some other great ideas around how to stress out a little less, how to manage that stress using things like meditation, mindfulness, and especially physical exercise. So if your employees are social distancing, they may be working from home with family or working from home alone, those social apps are a wonderful opportunity to take good care of themselves and boost their immunity. If your employees are still at work, they're showing up every day and they're trying to deal with the stress of knowing they're potentially exposed or potentially exposing family, those types of tools and resources are going to be even more important for them. What's great about them is they can be accessed from any location at any time that's convenient for them. So thanks again for your questions. We look forward to helping you and your teams get through this together. And again, check out the Hub Coronavirus Resource page and Center, where we have lots of resources available to you to help keep your family safe and healthy.